Fish on, guys. Number 4. That's a big one. Oh, going that way. It's big. Look at this. So big. Good morning, guys. It's Kumbo here. Right now, I'm going to see my son, nephew, and his friend participated in Steelhead Bobby Rod Derby tournament in Rocky River today. I did not participate in the tournament today. Maybe next year I possibly maybe participated in the in the tournament, but not this year. Okay, and so right now I'm gonna go there and to see how they doing over there, and I'm gonna be fishing for my own video, and they were fishing for the tournament there. So I will see you guys at the fishing spot there, guys. And once again, guys, forgive me for those who orders my baits. Right now I'm trying to learn how to do shipping, handling, and also I might have to send you guys by regular mails, okay, because I don't know much how to do all the things, and I had to order some the scale and the label, shipping, handling too, and I had to wait for them. But now I don't want you guys to wait for long, so I had to send it possibly this Monday, and I'm going to email you why the reason I delayed the shipping and handling, because I'm still learning the process. Okay, I thought it was an easy step to ship it and mail it out to you guys, but it's not that easy. Okay, I apologize for the delay shipping because due to my inexperience with this process. Fish on, guys. I'm about to switch the bait. Ball went down. I hate this spot, guys. That's a lot of dirty there. That's a nice one too. Oh, I hate this spot. I need to find some spot that has no dirt in the. That's a big one. Now I'm in a tournament. I'm probably winning this one. Nice size though. All right, so. I should join a team. See, look how long it is, guys. At least 27. Okay, and the bait right there. I'm using pink and nice and chrome too. Like pink, white and pink Steelhead with the dark red 2.25 inches mermaid tail. Hope the waters get better. I mean, when I say get better, they get clearer instead of murkier because it's raining this morning. Come on, this sport, buy me. If you don't buy me, I cannot catch you. Okay, fishy, fishy, fishy. I know you're in there, but you just swim all the place there. Come on, bobble down. Okay. Told you, bobble down. Oh my god, I think like I lost a hook. Oh no, hook still here, fish gone. Fish on there. Fish number 2, I speak to pink and pearl because the water started to clear up a little bit now. Right in the nose there. Not Alright guys, fish on. Fish number 2, I land them. Nice kingfish. So number 2 guys today. So I'm using white and pearl. Oops. See? Yeah. This what I'm using right now, 1/8 jig head, white and pink jig head, this pink. Okay. Alright, let's go fishy. I think they're all gone, but they go back to the spot over there. See that? Oh, hit me twice. Oh my god. See guys? And the spit bag almost hit me in the face. You good fish though. Missed one and he came up another one. And the hook went it again. See that guys? Probably monster fish there, I don't know guys. Need to catch 5 guy, but just 2, but in different places. Okay, so wanna go on the side. Alright guys, finally number 3 group trooper. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Come here, fish. Come here, fish. It's on the ping ping. On piggy ping, guys. Right in the nose. See that? Oh, it's bleeding through the gear. I will keep you in the net first, okay? If you survive it, you go. If not, take you home. Alright, so let's put it in the net because the gear bleeding when probably broken. So 3 today, guys. So that's a long time being 3 here. What's that? Fish on? Huh? Is steelhead or sucker? Big sucker. Not bad. Number 4 on Mermaid tail, guys. Ooh, this one is biting with the fin. That's heavy. That is heavy fish. With the current and everything, that's 500 pounds. Alright, I don't know how you buy me. Bro, you take the bobber down there. And I thought was steelhead. You potato head. Just to keep one of these. Maybe eat. Stir fry. I think every year one guy, he came down here, he kept a whole bunch of these. I need to keep them too. Fish on guys. Number 4, that's a big one. Oh, going that way. That's not good. It's not good, guys. It's okay. That's heavy. Let's wrap around the body now. The line just wrap around the body there. Over there. I think it's gonna be gone. It's real tight and heavy too, guys. Gotta pull them from strong current there. See what? Oh God! Big mama. Come on. Ooh, that's big. That is big. Ooh. That's big. This is big. I don't know how big, but it's big. Huh? That's huge, okay? I'm gonna go over there, try to find. This is the big. All right, let's go over there. Okay, guys, so I'm on pink and right. There's a bait right there. I almost lost him. Hook button again. Look at this. Alright, so this is a big fish. So big. Second. I don't know, probably like 28, 29. It's big. Yeah, about like 10 pounds. Look at this. Thank you. Thank you. Look at this monster guy, it's so big. It won't fit the net again, so you know. Okay, let's see this. Okay. Look at this fish, guy, look at that. That's a monster, right? Keep catching the monster in the past week there, guys. So on Kumbo Mermaid tail. Look at that. Okay, where the tail at? So okay, guys. So